Everything you said about me is true, Kathy. I'm no actor. Never was. Just a lot of dumb show. I know that now.
Wow. These are taking a line down.
Yeah, no, Cosmo. Have you ever seen anything as idiotic as me up on screen there tonight?
How about Lena?
Alright, I'll run her a close second. Maybe it's a photo finish. Either way, I'm through, fellas.
Don, you're not through.
Yeah, of course you're not. With your looks and your figure, you could drive an ice wagon or shine shoes,
Brick hats.
sell pencils,
Or dig ditches.
or even worse, go back to Waterford. Fix the fiddle, I'm ready for fun. I can jump over a beautiful wall.
Too bad I didn't do that in doing Cavalier. They might have liked it.
Why don't you?
What?
Make a musical.
A musical?
Sure, a musical. The new Don Lockwood. He yodels. He jumps about to music.
Only trouble is, after they released Doing Cavalier, no one would come to see me jump off the wall with building into a damn rag.
Why don't you turn the Julian Cavalier into a musical?
Doing Cavalier?
Sure. They've got 6 weeks before it's released.
Add a couple of songs and dances. Trim the bad scenes. Add some new ones. And you got it.
Hey! Hey, I think it might work!
Of course.
It's a cinch.
You know what? It might be crazy, but we're gonna do it!
Hot dog!
Hallelujah.
I think this is my lucky day, March 23rd.
Oh no! Your lucky day is the 24th.
What do you mean the 24th?
It's morning already. It's 1:30.
Yes. And what a lovely morning. Good morning.
Good
Morning.
We've talked the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Run the bar, we got to play, the stars were shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight. So good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning. We've got the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Well, don't give me credit, don't be releasing again.
Good morning. It's great. Stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Why did Mississippi if we were Mississippi?
Well, that movie showed the future wasn't bright. But came the dawn, the show goes on. I don't want to say goodnight.
So say good morning!
Good morning! Oh, shining to good morning. Good morning!
Bonjour.
Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Buenos dias!
Buenos dias!
Buongiorno!
Buongiorno!
Guten Morgen!
Guten Morgen!
Good morning to you! Oh, good morning! Good morning! Rainbows shining to good morning! Good morning to you!
I'm just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm high again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let's chase everyone from their place. Come on with the rain of a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing and singing in the rain.
to